So today we will talk about 5 advantages of cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrencies are relatively recent invention, for example, Bitcoin started up in 2009, they are definitely here to stay. With all their benefits, from prospects of hefty return to 24/7 trading on ultra secure, transparent infrastructure, the world of crypto has plenty to offer if you know how to tap into it. Number 1, high risk and the potential for high reward. There are more than 10,000 cryptocurrencies on the market today, and each one has its own particular quirks. But all cryptocurrencies have a few things in common, like their tendency to experience sudden spikes and drops in value. Prices are driven primarily by the supply of coins from the miners, and these supply demand dynamics can result in hefty returns. The price of Ethereum, for example, roughly doubled from July 2021 to December 2021. Quietly the payday for investors who got on board at the right time. Number 2. The blockchain technology underlying cryptocurrencies is inherently secure. Some of the major benefits of cryptocurrencies are not linked to the crypto themselves, but to the infrastructure that supports them. That's the blockchain, the decentralized data storage ledger that tracks every transaction undertaken on it. Once you make an entry in the blockchain, it can never be erased. And with the blockchain stored decentrally across multiple computers, no hacker can access the entire chain in one go. Any information stored in it is safe for good. Number 3. More transparent financial system. By and large, financial system revolves around third-party intermediaries who process transactions. This means that if you make a transaction, you are placing your trust in one or more of these intermediaries. And the recession of the early 2000s made a lot of people wonder if that was a good idea. The blockchain and cryptocurrencies offer an alternative. They can be viewed by someone anywhere, so you can take part in financial market and make transactions with no intermediaries whatsoever. Number 4. Crypto trades around the clock. Another advantage that cryptocurrencies have over bank is that the crypto markets are always open. With coins being mined and transactions being recorded around the clock, you don't have to wait for the and any other exchange to start trading for the day if you want to sell, buy, or trade crypto. This has made such an impact that regular banking offers as well, although that might still be some way off. So, for the investors who are on the go 24/7, crypto might be the best way to generate returns outside of normal working hours. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies help investors beat inflation. Cryptocurrencies are not tied to a single currency or economic, so their price reflect global demand rather than say national inflation. But what about inflation of cryptocurrencies themselves? As an investor, you can rest easily for the most part. The number of coins is capped, so the amount available can't spiral out of control. Thus, no inflation. Some coins like Bitcoin have an overall cap, others like Ethereum have annual cap, but either way, this approach keeps inflation at bay. If you really liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for today.